Changing the soil in a large potted plant is like giving it a breath of fresh air. Over time, soil compacts and loses nutrients. Keeping the same soil for years is like eating the same stale bread daily. No sustenance. The first pain point is the sheer size of the pot. People wonder, how do I even tip this thing over without breaking my back? Here's my trick. Water the soil lightly first. Moist soil holds together better, reducing the mess and frustration. Step 1 is to prepare a working area, ideally with a tarp or a large plastic sheet. Trust me, dragging a tarp full of soil out of your house is infinitely easier than vacuuming soil crumbs out of carpet for weeks. Step 2, loosen the edges. Run a trowel or a long knife along the inner edge of the pot to detach any roots gripping onto the sides. This makes the removal much cleaner and prevents root tearing. Be gentle but thorough. It saves headaches later. Now, the moment of truth, tipping over the pot. If the plant is too heavy, grab a friend or spouse. Bribe them with coffee if needed. Tip the pot on its side and carefully slide the plant out, roots and all. Once out, inspect the root ball. Thick, spiraled roots are a sign the plant is root-bound and screaming for help. These should be trimmed back with clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears. Don't overdo it, 30% max trim. The new soil mix is key. Use fresh potting soil, not garden dirt from your backyard. A good mix includes compost, perlite, and peat moss or coconut coir. It's like creating a custom mattress for your plant. Balance matters. Place a fresh layer of soil at the bottom of the pot. Then position your plant so it sits at the same height as before. It's tempting to plant it deeper, but that stresses out the stem. Keep its neck above ground. Backfill the pot with your new soil, packing it gently around the roots. Keyword, gently. Overpacking strangles oxygen flow. You want it firm but breathable. Leave about an inch of space at the top for easy watering. Water the plant thoroughly. The first soak settles the soil and eliminates any air pockets, so don't skip it. Skip this step, and you invite root rot due to trapped air gaps. No one wants to deal with mold. Pro tip, mix some slow-release fertilizer pellets into the fresh soil. These will keep your plant fed for months without extra work. It's like setting up a plant buffet that refills itself. Win-win. After everything is done, give your plant a day or two to adjust before moving it back to its usual spot. Big changes like this are tough on plants, much like moving is for humans. Give it time to feel at home again.